Guys, welcome back guys again in my Android software tutorial, and this is the continuation of our previous tutorial. In our previous tutorial we were adding the method for adding the and inserting the information in our columns and tables in our database, like username and password. So let's do it now. For that, guys, we have to create a new method. So let's do it now fast. Okay guys, अपने इससे पहले वाले ट्यूटोरियल में गाइज हम अपना डेटाबेस क्रिएट कर चुके थे और टेबल्स भी क्रिएट कर चुके थे, कॉलम भी क्रिएट कर चुके थे. अब गाइज हमें अपना टेबल और कॉलम नेम्स में गाइज हमें कुछ अपनी वैल्यूज ऐड करनी है, वैल्यूज फिल करनी है, इंसर्ट करनी है, लाइक यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड. सो गाइज उसके लिए गाइज हमें एक मेथड क्रिएट करना होगा. सो लेट्स डू इट नाउ, कंटिन्यू. So this is the continuation of our previous login activity tutorials. So let's start now. Guys, so before guys creating the method, let me complete this method now on upgrade. Guys, इसमें हम क्या करेंगे guys, if our table is already created, then we will drop the table. So guys, for that, by using the SQLite database object, SQLite database dot executable, call the method executable and pass here simple c. So drop table if exists user, guys, and now we will add our method for adding the information. So let's do it fast now. Public void add information, and in this we will pass here we need three string arguments. First one email, second one password, and third one we need here SQLite database object. So let's write this now fast. तीन आर्ग्यूमेंट्स चाहिए होंगे, तीन वेरिएबल्स चाहिए होंगे. फर्स्ट वन फॉर ईमेल और दूसरा चाहिए होगा पासवर्ड के लिए, और तीसरा गाइड में SQLite डेटाबेस का ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए जो कि हमारी वैल्यू को इंसर्ट करेगा डेटाबेस में. ठीक है. सो स्ट्रिंग पासवर्ड, so string password, string email, and third one will be the SQLite object. Guys, and first we need here initialize. First we need to create the instance of content values. guys, सबसे पहले हमें content values की instance को create करना होगा. So content value, make the object of content value is equal new content values, sorry, and by using the object of content values we call the put, and in this we will pass our column name, and then we will pass our key, column key, for putting the information into column. गैस कॉलम में इंफॉर्मेशन को फिल करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें कॉलम का नेम चाहिए होगा, उसके बाद हमें की कॉलम की की चाहिए होगी. ठीक है. सो जस्ट गेट इट नाउ बाय यूजर कॉन्टैक्ट क्लास, सॉरी यूजर कॉन्टैक्ट में कॉलम चाहिए होगा यूजर कॉन्टैक्ट डॉट यूजर इन्फो डॉट यूजर ईमेल. दिस इज अवर कॉलम नेम, एंड सेकेंड वी नीड टू पास हियर की. सो आवर की इज email. We can check our key, go into our user contact class, and our key is user email. Sorry guys, this is not sorry, this is wrong. We need to pass here this string value, not key. So this is what happening. Yes, we need to pass this column name and string argument, this one. So pass this. Sorry guys, I'm here little bit confused. Just 1 second. No guys, it is all right, everything is right. So string email, and like this, copy this whole line and paste again, and here we need to check the password, and here we will change this password also. Sorry, it is not into double comma, double quotes. It will just like email. It is also password. Okay guys, now it is fine. Okay guys, and now we need to by object of content values, just to call the put, and get it our table name, and in our table name, and third and second one argument we need to pass here the null, because we don't have values for the second one argument, and third one we need to pass the object of content values. Sorry, once again. Put. I think we are going to inserting the information in two columns. So this is wrong. And now our two details are going to fill in this email and password. And third one, and there is no other column, so we are not going to insert any other details. And so now we are going to insert our whole details into our table name, into our table. So for that we will call by using the object of SQLite database DB, and call the insert, method insert, and in this we are going to pass a table name. Sorry, .userinfo.table name, and the second one argument will be null, and third one will be the object of content values. Guys, now it is done. Guys, now our method has created for adding or saving the information in our Android SQLite database, and now we have to go back in our, and now we need to create a new activity for saving the information in our Android SQLite database. ठीक है, अब हमें अपनी डिज़ाइन एक्टिविटी में जाना है, डिज़ाइन UI में जाना है, जहाँ से गाइज हम अपनी इस इंफॉर्मेशन को ऐड और सेव कर पाएंगे SQLite डेटाबेस में. इसके लिए गाइज हमें just right click on your package folder, Java, create a new empty activity. Sorry guys, something is wrong. Activity, not wrong, everything is fine. So click on the new empty activity. Guys, new activity create करनी है यहाँ पे हमें. Okay, select empty activity and give the name for this sign up activity. We can say anything like sign up. I am just going to add this sign up. Click on finish. तो गाइस, यहाँ पे हमें क्या चाहिए होगा, सबसे पहले हमें डिजाइन करना होगा कि हम साइन अप में कैसे अपनी डिटेल्स फिल करेंगे. इसके लिए गाइस हमें दो एडिट बॉक्स चाहिए होंगे और एक बटन चाहिए होगा साइन अप के लिए बस, और एक टेक्स्ट भी ले सकते हैं हेडिंग को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए कि यहाँ पे साइन अप होना है. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू डिजाइन दिस. सो गो बैक इन योर रिसोर्स लेआउट फोल्डर, एक्टिविटी साइन अप फोल्डर, लेआउट, रिमूव दिस स्प्रिंग, and guys, I am not going to code here, design code. I will just paste here so you can copy my code, because it will save little bit our time. So just let me paste here now the sign up components. Okay guys, so this is your sign up components and sign up activities detail. Enter your email, enter your password, and click on this sign up button. Okay guys, so let me show you once again. गाइस, यहाँ पे साइन अप के लिए मैंने हेडिंग ली है, और दूसरा मैंने यहाँ पे एक एडिट बॉक्स लिया है, और तीसरा मैंने यहाँ पे एक फिर से एडिट बॉक्स लिया है, और उसके बाद मैंने एक बटन लिया है साइन अप करने के लिए। ठीक है गाइस, ये अपनी हो गई साइन अप की डिजाइनिंग कोडिंग। ओके, जो कि XML में आती है। अब गाइस हमें इसे कोड करना है जावा में, तो गाइस इसके लिए हमें जावा साइन अप डॉट जावा में जाना होगा। गाइस so go into your signup.java class here, and here we are going to perform the our saving or adding details in our SQLite database। गाइस यहाँ पे हम अपने वैल्यूज को और अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को ऐड करेंगे SQLite डेटाबेस में by using the by calling this method। So just to go back in your signup.java class, here we need here to edit box। So let's initialize our edit box now। Edit box, edit text will be the email, second one will be password। ठीक है गाइस, इसके अलावा गाइस हमें चाहिए होगा डेटाबेस हेल्पर क्लास की इंस्टेंस बनानी होगी। इसके बाद हमें डेटाबेस हेल्पर का ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करना होगा। और बिसाइड दिस गाइस वी नीड हियर SQLite डेटाबेस की इंस्टेंस बनानी होगी। three things we need here, and after this now first we are going to initialize our edit box। So email, typecast into edit text, find it by edit text email sign up, and password will be it does type into find id or not edit text password sign up। Okay guys, now I have typecast here and initialize our edit box and edit text। Okay guys, and now we are going to create a method for saving or adding information in our SQLite database। So just do it now fast। So public void, and I will name this method sign up। Pass your view, otherwise your application will crash। गाइस सो सबसे पहले गाइस हमें क्या चाहिए होगा यहाँ पे, सबसे पहले गाइस हमें यहाँ पे स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल ले लेते हैं दो, एक ईमेल के लिए एक पासवर्ड के लिए। ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टेक टू वेरिएबल्स फॉर स्ट्रिंग पासवर्ड और स्ट्रिंग ईमेल। डू इट नाउ फास्ट। स्ट्रिंग यूजर email and get this edit text to email dot get text to string। similar for password, copy this, paste, and here we will change this into password। this will be from password, right? And here guys we will use some validation, so be careful, I am going to use some validation। so before going to use validation, let me make the instance of our database helper dot java class। so database helper, it is not capital, make the instance of database helper। in this window pass here this is the context, guys। and now we need here SQLite database, and then we will call the method get writable database। okay guys, so by using the SQLite database object of SQLite database, and call the method database helper, something is wrong here, new is equal to this, and call the database helper, user database helper and call the .get writable database. Guys, now it is done. And now we are going to insert our information. So for that I am just using a little bit here validation. So let's see how we can validate our information. So if user email dot is empty and user password is also empty, then we will show a message by using the toast. So toast.make test get application context, or a message like please enter valid information. And then show this. तो गाइज मैंने अभी वैलिडेशन यूज़ किया है गाइज, जिसमें मैंने बताया कि अगर यूजर ईमेल को इम्पटी छोड़ देता है या पासवर्ड को इम्पटी छोड़ देगा और उसके बाद साइन अप करेगा गाइज, तो ये मैसेज शो होगा कि प्लीज़ एंटर वैलिड इन्फॉर्मेशन. ठीक है गाइज, ये मैंने वैलिडेशन यहाँ पे यूज़ किया है. और अगर यूजर दोनों चीज़ ठीक से फिल करता है तो ये मैसेज शो नहीं होगा. इसके अलावा गाइज else in our else statement, and in our else statement guys we will add our information in our database and save our information into our database. guys else statement में guys हम अपनी information को database में add save और add कर देंगे. so for that just call the database helper and call the method add information and pass here user email, and the second one string is user password and third one the SQL database object. guys and then we will show a toast sign up then successfully. इसके बाद guys हम एक toast को शो करेंगे जिसमें बताएंगे कि sign up सक्सेसफुल हो चुका है. successfully done. The toast dot long and that's so. guys यहाँ पे हमारी साइन अप की guys यहाँ पे हमारा साइन अप ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म हो चुका है. अब गाइस हम जरा साइन अप करके देख लेते हैं कि हमारी डिटेल्स फिल हो रही है या नहीं. तो गाइस नाउ वी विल चेक अवर डिटेल्स आर एडिंग और सेविंग इन अवर डेटाबेस और नॉट. सो फॉर दैट आई हैव टू जस्ट दिस साइन अप, कॉपी दिस साइन अप and go in your activity sign up layout and go in your sign up button and pass this into on click method. Guys this is already passed and go back in your sign up activity. This is here and now we will check our details are going to fill or not. Details is so for that I have to run my app. So let me run this now. But before that I did not start my emulator. I have to start my emulator quick now. Okay guys, so now my emulator had started and now I am going to run my app in the emulator. So that's it. Click on this run icon, select your emulator, click OK. Just wait few moments. Okay guys, so now we are going to sign up in our app and for that just click on your sign up text here. Login had stopped. Something is wrong guys, let me check here. Open the app, open your Android monitor and check what is the problem. Why this app it is not showing any kind of error here. Let's stop this debugging now. Okay guys, I think guys I forgot to code this button, this text view in our main activity.java class. So go back in your main activity.java class. Guys मैं भूल गया हूँ, मैंने यहाँ पे साइन अप टेक्स्ट व्यू गाइज मैंने कोई फंक्शन और मेथड प्रोवाइड नहीं किया है, इसलिए गाइज वो आई मीन एप्लीकेशन ने क्रैश कर दिया, तो उसके लिए गाइज मुझे एक मेथड क्रिएट करना होगा. तो आप मेन गो बैक इन योर मेन activity.java class and create here a method for that. So public void go to sign up activity. गाइज यहाँ पे मैंने मेथड लिया है गाइज, ये गाइज मेथड हमें साइन अप एक्टिविटी पर डायरेक्ट करेगा मेन एक्टिविटी से, मतलब लॉगिन पेज से हमें साइन अप पेज पे लेके जाएगा. गाइज सो create this method now and pass in this view argument view, otherwise our application again will get force closed. And here we need to pass a simple intent for moving on the next activity. So intent is here, intent, and make the object of intent is equal to new intent and pass the activity name like sign up, such sign up. So sign up dot first we need to pass a context, this comma, and we need to pass your activity name sign up and then class, and then we have to start activity. So start activity and pass your intent object. Yes, now it is done, and just copy this method name and go back in and go in our activity main.xml file and into our text. So in this we have to paste here on click. Now it will work. Okay guys, and now we will check again we will try again to add our information and save our information into the database. But before going to do that, I forgot here to delete something from in our database helper.java class. तो गाइज अब हम अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन को ऐड करने वाले हैं और सेव करने वाले हैं डेटाबेस में, मतलब साइन अप करने वाले हैं. लेकिन उससे पहले गाइज मैं कुछ भूल गया हूँ उसे डिलीट करना, तो गाइज उसको डिलीट कर दीजिए आप भी. आप गो बैक इन योर डेटाबेस helper.java क्लास एंड गाइज यहाँ पे मैंने स्टेटमेंट लगा था कि टेबल्स और कॉलम्स को चेक करने के लिए टेबल बनी या नहीं. गाइज यहाँ से रिमूव कर दीजिए बिकॉज वी नो नीड टू ऑफ दिस लाइन हियर. एंड नाउ वी विल चेक अवर डिटेल्स. नाउ वी विल चेक. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई अगेन टू साइन अप इन दिस ऐप. गाइज अब हम साइन अप करने वाले हैं अगेन फिर से. तो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द रन आइकॉन, select your emulator and wait for a moment again. Okay guys, so now our activity is going to be launched in our emulator. So it has launched now. Okay guys, and now we will try to add or sign up in our app now. So just click on this sign up text here. And now it has redirected on our sign up activity, and just try to fill some information here like username or email. So I will just try here and write soft text. This is my Facebook page of this channel. This is my Facebook page name of this channel. So android.which@gmail. The whole name is not my Facebook page, just this one is only, android.which is only. Guys, and now enter here password like 1 2 3 4 5 Okay guys, and now click on this sign up button. Guys, now it is showing sign up successfully done. That means guys, our information or details have successfully added in our SQLite database. Okay guys, हमारी डिटेल्स और इन्फॉर्मेशन डेटाबेस में सक्सेसफुली ऐड हो चुकी है. अब हमें लॉगिन करना है गाइस. सो लॉगिन करने के लिए गाइस हमें लॉगिन मेन एक्टिविटी डॉट जावा क्लास में जाना होगा और हमें कुछ कोड कर और उसके लिए हमें अलग से कोडिंग करनी होगी. उसके लिए हमें अलग से मेथड क्रिएट करना होगा और रिट्रीव करनी होगी इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर डूइंग द लॉगिन. गाइस, so our adding or saving the information, the method is working successfully, and now we will log in. So for login, just move on the next phase of this application. So stop this debugging now, and now we are going to retrieve our information, and now we are going to log in our app. So for that guide, we have to first retrieve our information, and then we have to match. Then we will match that from. Then we will match that information from the user login details, and then we will show the login welcome activity. You are successfully logged in. Guys, अब गाइस हम लॉगिन करने वाले हैं. गाइस लॉगिन करने के लिए गाइस हम सबसे पहले इन्फॉर्मेशन को हमें सेव्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन को रिट्रीव करना होगा, और रिट्रीव करने के बाद हमें यूजर द्वारा दी गई इन्फॉर्मेशन से मैच कराना होगा. उसके बाद अगर ये मैच होती है तब तो लॉगिन होगा, अगर मैच नहीं होती है तो फिर लॉगिन नहीं होगा. ठीक है गाइस, सो लेट्स डू इट नाउ फास्ट. So go back in your database helper.java class and create another method for retrieving the information. Okay guys, so let's do it now. So add the another method for get the information back and match that information from user details. So let's do it now fast. I will not take here void because in android SQLite database the information will be retrieved into cursor object. So we will take here run type cursor and give the method name like get information back. And here we will pass the string. We will need here we need two arguments. First one is email. Second one will be the object of SQLite database. And now we will write query for getting the detail from the database. So first we need to pass here we will write here string. And we need to create a string array. So we can give any name for that, like string details, or we can give any name like projection. No. Details and write the query inside. Sorry, we did not write the query here, and here we will get the password by using the email. Okay guys, so for that just get the email column, user contact, user info, यूजर पासवर्ड. गाइस हम यहाँ पे ईमेल के जरिए हम पासवर्ड को रिट्रीव करेंगे. ओके गाइस, सो गाइस हियर वी विल रिट्रीव अवर पासवर्ड बाय यूजिंग द ईमेल. ओके, सो जस्ट एंड मेक द another we have another string variable. String we can selection is equal to let user contract dot user info, and now here we will match our email by provide the user, and here we will match our email. If our email get matched by the saved if our email get matched in our saved information, so then we will get the password, otherwise we will not get. So this is the logic here. गाइज अगर हमारा ईमेल मैच होता है हमारे ईमेल से तो गाइज हम पासवर्ड को रिट्रीव कर लेंगे, ठीक है। अगर ईमेल मैच नहीं होता तो हम पासवर्ड को रिट्रीव नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है। दिस इज द सिंपल लॉजिक है। सो यूजर इन्फो डॉट यूजर email, this is your query, like you can say this is query, and write here query it will be like, give the condition like. I hope guys you are understanding what I mean here, what I am trying to say, what I am trying to make you understand, guys. So let's call the another, let's get the another array, and here we will get selection argument. So for that just pass here the selection. Sorry guys, we need to pass here email because we are going to retrieve our password by using the email. Pass your email, and now we will get all information. So for that just use the cursor and pass the SQL database object db, and pass your query, and in this query just call the user contract dot new user info, contract dot user info, and pass your table name. First argument will be table name, and the second argument will be our details, and third argument will be selection, and the fourth argument what to pass here, selection argument it is here, selection argument, and the remain argument will be null. So three argument it is still remain, that will be null. वैसे थ्री आर्ग्यूमेंट यहाँ बचे हैं जो कि नल पास करना है हमें, बिकॉज डोंट हैव एनी वैल्यू फॉर दोज, ठीक है। एंड देन वी विल रिटर्न कर्सर, ठीक है। एंड नाउ वी विल गो बैक इन अवर मेन activity dot java class on, and we will get this information and match this information by the user entered information. So go back in your main activity dot java class, और उसके बाद guys यहाँ पे अब now here we are going to do actual coding. So let's do it now quickly. Then guys guys, so let's create a method for login. So public void login, pass your view. guys हम लॉगिन के लिए मेथड क्रिएट कर लिया है, अब हम लॉगिन करने वाले हैं guys. guys, so let's do it now. So first of all, for retrieving the information from SQLite database, we need here, that's I'm going to talk about the later. So first we need to do some, we will get the information by the user. Okay, so let's string we can take any string like search password, search password or get password, or we can say enter password is equal to, and now we will get the password from this edit box. So enter password. गाइस ये मैंने सेम कर दिया है, दोनों का मैंने सेम ही नेम ले लिया है जो मैच कर रहा है इससे, और ये भी इससे मैच कर रहा है सेम, तो एडिट बॉक्स नहीं आएगा. दिस इज द मिस्टेक, सो डोंट डू दिस इन एनी कोडिंग. So I am changing to name this into capital E or this one into capital P, and now it will not match. It will not bother. It will not matched up in both. It will not conflict into string variables or edit text variables reference. So let's call the enter password and get text to string. Similar like this, we will get the email. Sorry, for email. So string enter email. यहाँ पर मैंने string variable create कर लिए और you are understanding what I am doing here. Okay guys, and now here we have taken the two edit box for getting the information by the user. Guys, मैंने यहाँ पर two edit box ले लिए हैं यूजर के द्वारा इंफॉर्मेशन फिल करने के लिए. पासवर्ड और सॉरी, दिस इज नॉट पासवर्ड, दिस विल बी ईमेल एंड दिस विल बी पासवर्ड. ओके गाइस, सो अब इसके बाद क्या करना है गाइस, इसके बाद गाइस हमें इंफॉर्मेशन फेच करनी है डेटाबेस से और उसे मैच करनी है इन दो इंफॉर्मेशन से कि हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन मैच हो रही है या नहीं. अगर मैच होती है तो हम लॉगिन हो जाएंगे, अगर मैच नहीं होती है तो हम लॉगिन नहीं होंगे. ओके गाइस, एंड नाउ वी विल फेच अवर इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द डेटाबेस हेल्पर क्लास and then we will match those information from this by entering the user information, by entered user information. Okay guys, we will match by this. So let's get that information now from database. So for that, just call the database helper equal to new, make the instance of first database helper, pass into context this. Guys, and now we need to pass the SQLite database. So SQLite database. I did not make the something is wrong. DB it's not showing here. SQLite database का मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट नहीं किया है गाइस. क्या गाइस, I forgot here to create the object of SQLite database, so create that. Yes, now I have created. Yes, and now we need to call the SQLite database here and call the method from SQLite database, from the database helper.java class, but for that, so call the class name database helper and call the get readable database. Guys, and now we will get the information into form of cursor object. Okay guys, so cursor, make the object of cursor and call the method database, call the method get information back. The database get information back is showing here now, and type in this and pass in this pass in this enter email, and the other one is SQLite database object. Something is wrong here, it is showing something is wrong. First wrong time and what edit text required Java language. Something guys, oh I forgot, this is not our this one. We need to pass this one string name, and I have actually passed here the edit box reference. Sorry guys, this is our enter email. Guys, now it is fine. Guys, मैंने यहाँ पे edit box का reference पास कर दिया था जो कि wrong था, बट यहाँ पे string का ये वाला पास object पास करना था, ये mistake हो गई थी. Sorry for that. So guys, and now what we need to do, and now here we get the information in the form of cursor object. Okay guys, and now we will match our information. So for that guys, and now I am going to use some validations and for matching the information by the user or not, by the matching the information into our database, into saved data in our SQLite database, and by and here we will match the information by the entered data from by user, and saved the data in our SQLite database in between. Okay guys, so let's do it now. So first we will add here some validation. If it is matched, then we will log in. If it is not, then we will not. So let's do it now. If enter email dot is empty, okay guys, so video is going to be now so long, so I have to do a little bit fast here. If enter email is empty, then we will show a toast here. So toast please enter email else in our else statement, else if, otherwise it is else if, not else only. So what is in our else if our enter password is empty, if our enter password is empty, then we will show here, please just copy this toast here, paste here, then please enter password. If both are, sorry, here we will take another condition, one more condition, and that condition will be if our username does not match, then we will show a toast. Okay guys, and now we will, it is here, else if, गाइस यहाँ पे हम क्या करने वाले हैं, if enter pass and if this is for if t and if password is empty, then we will do else if, then we need one more else if here, else if our enter password is not is equal to password. Guys, I forgot here something. Oh sorry, we will put this condition later, but first we need to retrieve our information. So for that we use the object of cursor dot move to first, and then something is on here, else without if, something is wrong here. What the fuck is happening? If our if else if this is for here, and else if cursor, why this is showing the error here? I think I will just delete all and do it again. Sorry guys for this confusion, I'm sorry. So what we are going to do, if just I'm still a little bit confused here. So if our enter email is in party, then we will select toast. Get application context. Is enter email toast log. Length long short we can do anything. If it is if and else if. Enter password is important. Then we will also just copy this toast from here. Paste here and change into password. Else if and then we need here one more else if. And now we are going to retrieve our actual information, actual details. So cursor dot call the method cursor dot move to first, and then create a local variable here, string password, and get the detail into and cursor dot get string 0. Our column index will be 0, guys, because in Android or in SQL database, so the first column represents from the 0. Okay, guys, so now we will take another validation into this. So if our password is equal to enter password, then what we will do, login. गैस हमारा पासवर्ड रिट्रीव पासवर्ड से मैच जाता है एंटर के वो पासवर्ड, तो हम लॉगिन कर देंगे, ठीक है। और यहाँ पर टोस्ट शो करना है मुझे। अगर हमारा पासवर्ड मैच जाता है तो हम से कहेंगे मतलब लॉगिन सक्सेस, सॉरी application context login, guys, and here inside this guys, I forgot here to create another activity. That activity will show you are logged in successful. So just create that quick now, guys। मैं यहाँ पे एक एक्टिविटी दूसरी एक्टिविटी क्रिएट करना भूल गया हूँ, ये मतलब मैंने अभी क्रिएट नहीं किया है। जिस एक्टिविटी में ये शो होगा कि हम सक्सेसफुली लॉगिन हो चुके हैं, ठीक है गाइस, ये मैसेज शो होगा उस एक्टिविटी में। सो गाइस वो एक्टिविटी क्रिएट करना है, तो जस्ट डू इट नाउ। तो राइट क्लिक ऑन योर पैकेज फोल्डर, क्लिक ऑन न्यू एक्टिविटी, इम्पोर्ट एक्टिविटी एंड गिव द वेलकम एक्टिविटी, नेम ऑफ दिस वेलकम, click on finish, guys, and in this we can design later. We will not design it more attractive. They will just show a message into this activity. Now it has created, and now we go back to main activity.java class. And here we need to do one more thing here. And what we need to do here, one more thing here. First we will start our activity. Then our login successful get, then we will start the activity. So intent So new intent this welcome activity dot class, and then start the activity intent, sorry, pass into intent, sorry, intent, and start the activity. Okay, guys, now it is done, and then we took here another validation. That validation will show else if again if our enter password will not match from the repository password, then we will show a message here password doesn't match. Copy this toast, paste into there. So guys, now it is done. So this will represent here password doesn't match, guys. And else if we will give a message here if our username will not match, then we will show another toast, and that toast will be username does not match. Sorry, it will not else if, it is only else. Toast dot make text your application context. If a username will not match, then it will show username does not match. Okay guys, now our application has been done, and now we are going to check it out, it is working or not. So just call this method into, just copy this and go into your main activity.java class, and go into login button and just paste here. Sorry, something is wrong here. Why it is showing me sign up when we are doing sorry guys, we will not copy this is for sign up. We will copy this login, go into main active.java class and paste here. It is already given, but I will change it for guys, and just to go into a welcome activity, and here we will take a text little bit, welcome successful, login successful, and I will change this into login successful. Don't say anything. Welcome login successful. Just make this bigger and bold. Android text applications. Large Android text style into bold. Okay guys, now it is looking better. Okay guys, and now we are going to run our app and check it out, it is working or not. So just click on the run icon, select your emulator, okay guys, now it is going to be run now. Okay guys, so now our app has launched in our emulator, and now we are going to launch it. Okay guys, and now we are going to, first we will sign up, and then we will log in. So let's do it now. sign up, enter any random email like any email. We can xyz@gmail.com, or password we can take anything like 1 2 3 4 5. Sign up successfully done. Go back in our login activity and type your email xyz@gmail.com. Enter your password like 1 2 3 4 5. Click on login. Okay guys, if our information get matched by the saved information in database, then we will login successful, otherwise we will not. So let's check it out now. So click on login. Guys, now it is showing the login success and welcome login successful. Okay, so this is guys how we can develop the and how we can attach the login activity in our Android app. Thank you guys for watching my video, watching my tutorial. Please like and subscribe my channel for getting the more concept about related the Android app development. Guys, अगर आप ऐसे ही और वीडियोज और ऐसे ही कॉन्सेप्ट एंड्रॉयड ऐप के बारे में सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें. गाइस, थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू.